time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something a little different. This is a snack noodle. And, whoa, wait. Interesting. I don't know. I think this is literally what you're supposed to do. Yes, yes. It's showing it in a hot pot. That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, this is Uni-President Science Noodle. And basically what you got here is a noodle that you smash up in the package and eat like a snack. So we are going to do that. Are you ready? I don't need to set a timer. It's funny because I've seen it come with a seasoning and without a seasoning. This one is without the seasoning. Ow. Oh, and it's cooperating. That's really nice. Well, mostly. Because see, I didn't take a picture of the packaging yet. Or I took a picture of the packaging, but I haven't scanned it. Okay. Retract my previous statement. It is not cooperating. Alright. So this will get scanned later. But here we are. And there's really nothing else to do to this. So I'll let you have a look and be like, it looks like a crushed up pack of instant noodles. And guess what? You are right. It's seasoned already. I had 2 packs of them. My daughter Mimi was like so fascinated with the concept of it. I let her try the other one. She didn't really eat much of it. Not much of a seasoning to it. Very light. Very easy to crunch. And yeah, that's really it. There's nothing else to do here. It's not bad. It just kind of like a crushed up instant noodle. But it's kind of weird that there's no seasoning with it. I am seeing though, I wonder if people are using this in hot pot. I guess you could drop it in hot pot. But as you can see here, it kind of looks like people are using it in hot pot. I don't know, but it's not bad this way. So let's let Rotato do its thing. Let's make this so nicely centered. Alright, there you go. Well, that's it for that one. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Daibok in collaboration with TNT Co. This is Carolina Reaper spicy chicken noodle from Malaysia. I think it's a Mommy Shinsegai collab. I don't remember, but Daibok, it's, yeah. So this is going to be hot. And there will also be a mukbang. So, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And have a good one. Bye-bye.